These are bananas. See the spots on them? These are perfect to eat. This is a plantain. See the difference, how big it is, how thick it is? This is different. This is more a vegetable. This is more like a fruit. It tastes sweet. This doesn't exactly taste sweet. So, what you do, you have to bake it or you have to fry it. But tonight what we're going to do is we're going to make a banana dessert.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Some people here have a lot of bananas, but they don't have many plantains. So we're going to show you a different way to make a different type of dessert. First thing you need is you need a baking pan with parchment paper on top. You can use, this is called orange marmalade. You can tell I like it, it's almost empty. And what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate the banana inside the marmalade, inside of these tortilla shells. So what I'm doing is I'm warming it up on the stove top, and I'm going to reduce the heat because we don't need it that hot. And then what we want to do is when it starts to fluff up like it's doing right now, we're going to take it and we're going to put the banana in it. It's ready. I take that one there. I'm going to take one banana out. We're going to pull it from here. Okay, so what you want to do is you're going to get the straightest part you can of your banana. You're going to add some marmalade on it. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn this like this. Now it would be better if that didn't happen. You see how the jelly came out? You don't really want the jelly to come out. So don't put it so much that happens. Let's try another one. Then what happens, we put this in the oven for about 20 minutes. They're going to get nice and warm, and it's going to warm up the banana. The banana itself will release some of the sugars, including in the marmalade. And the next one of these I'm going to make with kumquats. But I wanted to give an idea of what you could do. You can use any kind of jam. You can use mango jam, you could use strawberry jam, whatever you like with your banana. So then we're going to have another piece of banana right here. It's about like that. We'll take another piece out of here. We're just going to make a little dessert for tonight. So you know it's ready because it's already, see how tinted it is? Now when I first pulled it out, it was white. And this has got a little bit of burnt edges. You want that. So we're going to use the edges here. This time what we're going to do, put the marmalade on first. Just a little bit. Then we're going to put the banana, and then we're going to roll it together. Yeah, that's a much better. And you see how it's tighter? That's what you want. And it's just going to be me tonight, so we're just going to make two. I'm going to experiment with these, and I'm going to show you how they turn out. So usually when I make these, I make like 6 of them. I put some in the freezer, and they work out just fine. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. So I was talking to my wife, and I found out that she's going to try some of my tortilla banana with orange marmalade. I'm going to call it probably a banana surprise or something like that. Now these are very thick tortillas. Some of the ones that you get at the store are much thinner, and I think they would be easier to use. They get hotter and hotter. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm taking the marmalade. This time I'm using a spoon. That's what you really should use, not a fork. And you put on a very thin layer. You take the banana you have and you roll this together like that. Now this will be all ready to go in the oven. It doesn't take long to cook it. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. I've got to cook my dinner. So now what we're doing is we're putting the dessert inside of the oven. Close it, and we're going to put it on there for 10 minutes. This over here is my dinner. See, it's squash and potatoes that we cut with our $2 knife. Can't beat this knife. $2. Cut this entire squash like it was nothing. Cut the potatoes nicely. Real happy with it. Alright, so I'm going to eat, and when the dessert gets ready, I'll show you how it's all put together. Alright, so this is what they look like. So now I'm going to plate it, give one to my wife, eat one for myself, and we'll have one each tomorrow morning. Alright, so this turned out very good. The marmalade and the banana has got a nice taste together. I do think that it may need to have a longer time in the oven than 10 minutes. But the banana was hot all the way through, and so is the marmalade. I think what I'm going to do in the future when I do this one is I'm going to put in a sprinkling of nutmeg on it. I think that's going to be the perfect topping for it. So let me go get it. Alright, so here it is. I'm putting some nutmeg on top, and I think this is going to add the extra little piece that we're looking for. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to add nutmeg or your favorite flavoring on top. And I hope that we'll probably try something like this with the plantains a little bit later on, but I wanted someone to have a chance to see what they could do with their bananas. Thank you very much for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.